Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I would like to teach you on how to make your YouTube videos make private. So just follow my steps so you can make simple on how to private your YouTube video. So first of all, we need to open our browser, any browser. For me, I am opening Google Chrome and then click sign in, and then, or if you don't have one, YouTube account, just sign up, then log in. Oh wait, just close the desktop site and wait, sign in again, then click your account, then put your Facebook password, a YouTube password, I mean, and then just close that, close. Just wait for the seconds to open your YouTube account. Oh, it's so lag. Wait, I'm opening again YouTube because okay, this now. So and then you need to desktop site, then go to your settings, this one in your profile picture, then click YouTube Studio. I am opening it in a new tab, and then this one, click desktop site if you use your mobile phone, and then this is your channel dashboard, and then you need to go to this one, this video logo, this one, play, and then click that, and then this is all your video, and then any video you want to private, just go to visibility, this one, wait, um, this one, we have restriction, date, views. If you want to private your your YouTube videos, just go to here, just press public, and then you can see private, unlisted, or public. So for me, I am already use it for public. If you want to to private this one, just click private, this one, private, and then you need to click save. Okay, this one. So it's successful. So this one, private. So I'm already um private this video, this one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and also you have get tricks for me on how to private your YouTube video. Thank you so much, and have a good day.